bird's nest?
We use apples, marshmallows, cloves, carrots, and Cheerios.
We used the marshmallows. We stuck on the marshmallows onto the apple. Then we glued the nose with a glue stick. We also just gathered the Cheerios around the apple to make the nest.
This is our bird's nest.
Sahaya, and today I'm going to talk about Columbus. He was a great sailor. He was born in Italy. He took a trip and sailed a ship, and he saw the water blue, and he found a new world named America, and we celebrate Columbus Day on second Mondays of October. Thank you for listening.